Hello everybody and welcome to another vlog. Today it's me, Pierre Farrugia, and we are in a very beautiful place. We are at Migra Il-Ferha. Last time, here is the parking area. Last time I parked here and moved all the way to tal-Majjistral, which many people like that video. But today we're going to go on the other side of the cliff. Today the views will be all like this, full of cliffs and sea. And if I switch to this side with beautiful nature that offers this area, because here is very rugged, and I think many of you will enjoy here. So let's start moving that side and take care to keep away from the edge of the cliffs. So if you look on this side, there's the cliffs, which are very beautiful here. And if you look this side, look how nice it is. The countryside here, even those cliffs up there are very nice area. I like this side. Look how amazing these cliffs look. It's amazing here. I don't know if you can see in the sun, but there is filth on that side. So today the theme will be beautiful cliffs and countryside, because I was going to another place, but instead changed my mind this morning that I wanted to go somewhere special. And here is special. Many come here to do, I think it's called astrophotography, because it's very, very dark. It's one of the darkest places in Malta. Here I think we have some upsailing anchors. There are plenty of them here, and I'm curious if one gets down from here, how one can get up there. Let's check. Yeah, I don't think, maybe by rock climbing, but walking back up, it's impossible here. Since I've been puffing a bit going up the hill, I had to remind myself of my friend Englishman in Malta. Although he's fitter than me, he's older, but he goes everywhere. He has a very nice channel about Malta. Go to visit him, because he's always helped me about with my channel. Maybe one time I will take him to Tamaria Caves. Isn't it amazing? Look, everywhere you look, one cliff after the other. It's amazing here, and we are super high from the sea. I don't want, if I fall, I don't have problems. I don't think I will survive. But walking here, you can, as usual, walk at the edge, but there's a path there which is more friendly to anybody. As I was telling you before, one can opt to do a more relaxed walk instead of on the edge. On the edge you can get some better views, but it's a little bit more dangerous, and not everybody is comfortable with walking there. But if you want to walk relax, there's this nice path here, or trail, which is very comfortable and for everybody. Today here in Malta, we are in end of October, and I am in shorts and t-shirt. To tell you the truth, I had to check the temperature, because it's very, very, very hot in the sun. It's only 24 degrees, which isn't much, but in the sun I'm feeling it as if it's more than 30. Yeah. To have an idea of this trek, on the left side you have small hills, and now they are turning green. And on the right side one have the cliffs. So either where you look, it's a beautiful place. Until now I have all this place for myself. Here we have Mario Falzon. Unfortunately lost his life. He was only 19 years old. What a pity. May he rest in peace. In 1977, quite long time ago. Look how beautiful this area is. Surrounded by greeneries, Lots of cliffs, and the path is very comfy to walk on. I think many people come to trek here since we have this trek so clearly defined. I think down here will be very nice to cover with kayak. Look how beautiful this area is. It's full of sea caves and something maybe people who climb or upsail can help me out. Why these are so many hooks here? Because if you upsail, I don't think. Maybe for rock climbing. Anybody knows, Sarah? Please comment below, and there's even here more. You see? How many here? There's another one here. But look at those cliffs, how beautiful they are. And even those hills are beautiful here. It's a very quiet. Problem is people like this leaving trash here. You are ruining this place, Look how many trash there is. If you take somewhere with you, take it back and throw it at home, So now let's continue this trek. But the formations of the cliffs here is quite amazing, Hopefully from here you can get a very nice view. You see? It's like, and I have a lot of insects crawling around me. But let's continue. If I'm not wrong, here was in the news some years ago because a fisherman fell down and unfortunately lost his life. I'm telling you all this just to take care. Those hooks that I told you were up there, so there's the shelf. I think for me to go up rock climbing is impossible. I don't have this skill. But for upsailing is very nice. Here, look. Apart from caves, which I love, when I go walking along cliffs, I think it's my second best. This trace with hearing the sea from here and the view. See, those cliffs are amazing, how high they are with those caves down there. There's a lot of seagulls eating there. Isn't this amazing here? We have a tiny country, but remember, till now I think I made around 140, 150 videos about Malta. Imagine this small tiny island. If I'm not mistaken, it's 17 miles across. And till now I found more than 140 places of interest. It's nice here. Look how nice it is here. I think here is one of the best places to watch. I'm taking a little bit care because there's a long way down here. Too much for me for sure. I'm an adventurer, but don't tell me to jump from heights, I'm afraid. And I'm also taking some care here where to put my feet, because as I'm telling you, look, some people don't like this, but I like it. But if you take care, and sometimes the GoPro exaggerates the angles. So one, as I always tell you, one can choose to walk from here, or he can go a little bit in, or she can go a little bit inland, which is much safer. Although here there's a nice spot to walk in there. And now we have some space again. It's beautiful here. Everywhere you look, it's amazing. Just met two fishermen and told me that those big caves here are called id-Dawwra, if I'm not mistaken. And here we are at another point of the cliff, because if we turn this side here and walk to the other side, There's a lot of those attachments here, and we can find the cliffs again. Look how nice they are here. Everywhere you look, if you want to relax, here's a perfect location. How nice. Another plus thing of this trek is that you always nearly walking in a plane. You're not going uphill nor downhill, so it's much easier on the knees here, apart from these beautiful views. But today the heat is too much for me. I didn't imagine that it's going to be so hot today. It feels like 30 or more today. One thing one cannot complain for sure from here are how quiet it is. You can hear a lot of birds, and the views, the cliffs here are spectacular and coming right now, they are turning green. They are even better, more beautiful. But as I'm telling you, every time you get to an edge, the views, look how nice here it is. Even the sun is perfect. Isn't it an amazing view? And if you are afraid of the edge of the cliffs, as I'm telling you, there's the trail there. One can pass from the trail and be more than safe. But then if you come here, I think one of the highlights are these beautiful cliffs that one can see. The more we go now, the more rugged it gets. Till now it's still good, and looks like that here even cars coming here. But the landscape is nice here. There is a small cave there which we can visit. While we're turning back, I will stop and check it out. But I think it's one of many best treks you can find in Malta here. And may I remind you, when I did Blata tal-Mel, it's as beautiful as here, but it's more on the edge than this side. Up today I'm not annoying you with all these cliffs, but I love these views here. And if we come here, we can even find a table. Another beautiful camping spot here. This table here. Hope you enjoyed this trek today. I like it a lot here. I definitely come. But I don't like people throwing their trash here. They have a backpack. They brought it with biscuits. They can take it home without them. And what I can assume from here, the trek now will be exactly like the one found near Blata tal-Mel, which is more on the edge, and one have to take great care. I will just move a little bit more here, and most probably I turn back. But let's check this part out, how beautiful it is. Moving here, you're literally on the edge, and you have to go down and up. So I think if I have people with me, I will have to turn just back where the table was. But it's a very amazing place, although I love this terrain here. but one have to take great care here, not like where we're moving before. There was the table is all at the edge of the cliff, so one must concentrate on what he's doing and where he puts his step, because falling from here can be deadly. What I will do now, I will have a look from here, up here, and then I start heading back. Here is going to be the turnout point, because from here gets really rugged, and today it's not the day I do that one, it's too hot. So now I turn and go to check that cave, and hopefully we end up in the end of our vlog. Like this, hopefully one can have an idea the type of terrain the last part is. All till the table was flat, and there was plenty of edge to the cliff, but now it's not something to that much. It's people who are used to trekking, this will be their normal trekking environment, but other people will get to know what to expect, and even going down slopes here, one have to take great care, because if you slip, I don't know if you stop, because about 3 meters away there's the edge of the cliff, this part, but it's sloping down. In Malta, where you look, you will find this pottery color here, grey in the middle and pottery in the back. Maybe a very old id-Dawwra, who knows, but in Malta everywhere you will find these pieces of clay. I found this small cave, how nice it is. It's very clean, which is a plus, and I think there were nobody here, because no footprints, there were very few, long time. As I told you many times, these people here, they didn't just order a cupboard, but they had to dig it in the ground there. These graffiti, I don't like. It's not that big, but it's still a nice cave. Then they have these loops here that one can, you see my finger? They can put ropes here, maybe for their animals. There is even rope passing from here. Quite interesting, and with all these caves, the views is always 10 out of 10. Maybe somebody came here and even did a barbecue or something in here. There has to one, I don't know why two, because if you are here you can do one, it's enough, but it's a very nice place. Let me show you again. And now we have reached our end of the vlog, so we go to the pot and then I can close the vlog there. Hope you enjoyed this vlog. Today it was me, Pierre Farrugia, from Migra Il-Ferha, from these beautiful cliffs here. Hope you enjoyed. It was super hot today. Please like this video because it will help me a lot, and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. If you know anything about this place, especially those hooks, please comment below, and until next time, bye bye.